Hello, Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Ange, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I'm finally trying out these bubble letters. If this is something that interests you, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. I found these alphabet and number cookie cutters in my baking stash just a few days ago, and I thought their size would be perfect for making bubble letters. First, I flatten out my clay in the number 6 setting on my roller. It's a pretty thin slab. Then I measure out how much space will fit the letter and cut that out. Now I want to decorate the slab with flowers. You could paint on it, as what others did, but I wanted to make everything in clay. I will decorate the slab with flowers, and so I begin by placing the flowers onto the slab. To make it stick to the slab, I go with a little needle and press each of the petals down. By the way, I didn't invent this technique. I think I first saw how it was done on Instagram under the account of Creo Clay. I thought that her take on the puffy letters was such a fun project to make. What's awesome with makers who choose to share their process is that they inspire others to experiment. And I think that this is just so awesome that we have a community like this. Anyway, going back to my project, I make small balls from my brown clay to place at the center of each flower. Now is the fun part, which is puffing up the letters. I lift up the slab and transfer it to a foam using my tissue blade. Then I press the slab and the cutter down onto the foam. As you can see, the letters become puffed up. Then you get another slab and place the cutter on it. The two pieces of clay should stick together. It's now time to place these pieces in the oven to bake. Next, I get my sander. I use a nail sanding tool so that it's manageable for my hand. Finally, I place my pin and round the top so that I can place a keychain. I just want to give you a side-by-side comparison of the original slab and the puffed up letter. As you can see, the puffy letter appears so much thicker. This was such a fun and easy project to make. I can definitely see myself making more of these puffy letters to give away. I was also so happy to finally find a use for those big cutters. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a crafty weekend. Bye!